Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'll show you 3 different hairstyles on Elsa inspired by the new Frozen Broadway musical. The link of the musical trailer on which these hairstyles are based is in the description. For this video, I'm using my rebooted Elsa doll on a purple top made to move Barbie body. To make the hair easier to work with, I spray it with water. As you can see, in the musical, the front of Elsa's hair is twisted to create that voluminous hairstyle. To recreate this look, I separate the front parts of the hair on both sides. I take the top section and separate this into 2 sections and cross these 2 sections. Then I add a strand of hair to each section. Twist both sections towards the face and cross them again. Once again, I add a strand of hair to each section, twist them both towards the face and cross them over each other again. Once you're out of hair to add, you just keep twisting the hair towards the face while wrapping the sections over each other away from the face. Secure the twist with a rubber band so you can do the exact same thing on the other side. When both of the sides are twisted, you want to bring the twists to the back and secure them together with a clear elastic. I take down the ends of the twists that are still showing to give Elsa a nice base for different styles. To give these twists a little more volume, you can just carefully pull on the twisted sections a little bit. The first look we see in the Broadway trailer is this twisted base we already created, finished off in a twisted braid over the shoulder. To recreate this look, you want to section the hair into 2 sections. I twist both sections counterclockwise while twisting them around each other clockwise. And tie the ends with an elastic. Then you simply bring it over the shoulder for that real Elsa look. This next look is Elsa's updo. For this, I simply wrap the twisted braid around itself and secure it with an elastic to create a bun. This look would probably work a lot better if the doll had thinner hair, so it would look more flat like in the musical. Then in this next look, Elsa still has that twisted front, this time combined with a fishtail braid. For this, I undo the twist I made before, keeping the front twists intact. Then I simply fishtail braid the rest of the hair using really small sections. If you want to get a more detailed explanation on how to create a fishtail braid, make sure to click the iCard in the upper right corner on the screen to go to my fishtail braiding tutorial. When I finish the entire fishtail braid, I bring it over the shoulder again for that real Elsa look. On most pictures that I found of the Broadway musical where Elsa is wearing the fishtail braid, she is actually wearing pants. So to finish off this look on my Elsa doll, I changed her skirts into pants as well. I really hope you liked these hairstyles. If you did, make sure to comment down below which one was your favorite, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you want to see more looks I create on my dolls, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, @thedollboy. See you next time!